Good morning, grade 5. How are you today? I hope that all of you are okay. For this week, our topic for math is all about adding and subtracting fractions. Before we start, let's have a review. Last week, we discussed about ordering fractions. When we order fractions, we are arranging it. We have two ways to arrange fractions. Number one is increasing order. If we are arranging the numbers in increasing order, we start to write from the smallest to the greatest. Next, number two, decreasing order. We are arranging the fractions from greatest to the smallest. Now let's move on to our vocabulary for today's topic. So I will read 2 times, then after that, I will call some of you to read. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, like fractions. Number 2, whole numbers. Number 3, unlike fractions. Number 4, mixed number. Number 5, improper fraction. Number 6, least common multiple. I repeat, number 1, like fractions. Number 2, whole number. Number 3, unlike fractions. Number 4, mixed number. Number 5, improper fraction. And number 6, least common multiple. Now it's your turn to read. Jump, can you please read the vocabulary?
Teacher.
Can start.
Life paper.
Whole number.
Whole number.
Unlike fractions.
Unlike fraction.
Mixed number. Very good. Number 5.
Number. Improper fraction.
Very good.
Least common number.
Number 6, least common multiple.
Least common multiple.
Very good. Thank you, Jump. Next student will be Gao.
Like fraction, whole fraction, whole number, alike fraction, improper fraction, least common multiple.
Okay, can you read number 4? Mixed number.
Mixed number,
Number 2, whole number.
whole number.
Very good. Thank you, Gao. Next will be look back.
Like fraction, whole number, unlike fraction, mixed number, improper fraction, least common multiple.
Very good. Thank you for that. Next will be
Like fraction, whole number, unlike fraction, mixed number, improper fraction, least common multiple.
Very good. Next will be upper. Is upper here?
Yes.
Okay.
Like fractions, whole number, unlike fractions, mixed number, improper fraction, least common multiple.
Very good, upper. Thank you. Next, August.
Yeah.
August. Okay, number 1, like fractions.
Like fraction, whole number,
Very good.
unlike fraction,
Mixed number.
mixed number, improper fraction,
Very good.
least common multiple.
Thank you, August. Very good. Next will be Tonhom.
Like fraction, whole number, unlike fraction, mixed number,
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Let's common multiply.
Multiple.
Multiple.
Okay, very good. Last one, March.
Live fraction whole number, a live fraction mixed number, improper fraction that common multiply.
Multiple.
Multiple.
Okay, thank you for reading the vocabularies. Let's move on to our topic. So, like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator. For example, we have here 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. The denominator of the two fractions is 4. And it said that like fractions have the same denominator. Next, unlike fractions. The fractions have different denominators. So this is the opposite of like fractions. For example, we have 2 over 4 plus 4 over 6. So the denominator of 2 over 4 is 4. And the denominator of 4 over 6 is 6. Next, adding and subtracting like fractions. So if the fractions are like fractions, we only add the numerator. For example, number 1, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Our numerator is 1 and 2. And our answer is 3 over 4. Next, number 2. 7 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Our numerator, we have 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Our final answer is 4 over 9. Next, so we have steps to follow when adding unlike fractions. So step 1, find the least common multiple or LCM for the denominators. So the LCM for 3 and 5 is 15. Next, we have these numbers. So what will you times to 1 over 3 to get 15? The answer is 5. And what will you times to 4 over 5 to get 15? It is 3. So 1 over 3 times 5 plus 4 over 5 times 3. The answer is 5 over 15 plus 12 over 15. So let's add the numerators this time. The final answer is 17 over 15. Next, we convert this answer to mixed number. The answer is 1 and 2 over 15. Next, subtracting unlike fractions. Example, letter A, 1 over 2 minus 2 over 5 equals. So first step, let's follow it again. Find the LCM of 2 and 5. And the LCM is 10. Next, 1 over 2. What will we times to 1 over 2 to get 10? The answer is 5. And what will we times to 2 over 5 to get 10? The answer is 2. 1 over 2 times 5 minus 2 over 5 times 2. What is the answer? So we have 5 and 4. Next, we will subtract the numerators. So the answer is 1 over 10. Next, adding whole number and mixed number. This time, we will only add the two whole numbers. For example, 4 plus 2 and 2 over 9 equals, we have 4 plus 2 equals 6. And 6 plus 2 over 9 is equals to 6 and 2 over 9. We add the whole number and the fraction to get the final answer. Next, adding and subtracting mixed number. Okay, so first, get the LCM of the denominator, which is 2 and 8. 23 over 8 times 1 and 3 over 2 times 4. We will have the answer as 23 over 8 minus 12 over 8. Our final answer is 11 over 8 or 1 and 3 over 8. This time we will be answering your activity. Please open your books on page 20. Okay, so number 1, add. Give each answer as a mixed number. Letter A, 1 over 3 plus 4 over 5. We answered this a while ago, right? And our answer is 1 and 2 over 15. Next, letter B, 4 plus 2 and 2 over 9 is 6 and 2 over 9. Let's move on to the next one, letter C and D. Letter C, 3 and 5 over 6 plus 2 equals. What is the correct answer here? So this time you only need to add the whole number. 3 plus 2 equals, what's the answer? 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. So our final answer for letter C is 5 and 5 over 6. Next, letter D. 2 and 1 over 4 plus 2 and 3 over 8. First step, we need to get the LCM of 4 and 8. Then after that, convert these fractions into mixed numbers. So it will be 9 times 2 over 4 times 2 plus 19 times 1 over 8 times 1. So my question is 9 times 2 equals 18. Very good. How about 19 times 1?
19.
Very good. So our answer is 18 over 8 plus 19 over 8. You plus the two numerator, what will be the answer?
37.
30. Is it 37?
Over 8.
Okay. 37 over 8. Next, let's move on to number 2. Subtract. Give each answer as a mixed number. Letter A, 2 and 7 over 8 minus 1 and 1 over 2. First step is to get the LCM of 8 in 2. What is the number? What do you think is the answer? It's 8, right? So 23 times 1 over 8 times 1 minus 3 times 4 over 2 times 4. 23 times 1 equals? What's the answer?
23.
3 over 8. Very good. Next, 3 times 4?
12.
12. 2 times 4?
8.
8. Very good. So our answer is 23 over 8 minus 12 times 8. 23 minus 12 equals? What's the answer?
11.
11 over 8 or 1 and 3 over 8. Next, letter B. We have 5 and 2 over 5 minus 3 and 1 over 2. Okay, so 27 times 2 over 5 times 2 minus 7 times 5 over 2 times 5. 54 over 10 minus 35 over 10. 54 minus 35. What's the answer? It's 19 over 10 or 1 and 9 over 10. Okay, so letter C, 7 minus 3 and 5 over 6 is equals to 4 and 5 over 6. Letter D, 5 and 7 over 10 minus 4 equals 1 and 7 over 10. Okay, so I'll see you again on Friday. And thank you for joining the math class today. And if you did not finish your activity yet, I want you to finish it. Do you understand? So see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.